Kitchen design ideas for small kitchens. The need for small kitchen designs doesn't necessarily mean that your small kitchen has to be a disappointment. These days everything is getting smaller: phones, home video discs, MP3 players. It doesn't have to be a bad thing. Look at the smaller space available to you as an opportunity to flex your creative muscles. With small kitchens, creativity is definitely needed to get the most out of the available space, but at the same time, it can be more convenient and lead to you spending less time in the kitchen and more in the parts of the house where, perhaps, you'd rather be. In order to make your kitchen really stand out, here are 6 of the best ideas for maximizing space and efficiency. Storage space. If you've got less room to move, then you need to be certain that you're getting the most out of the kitchen's capacity to hold appliances, pots, pans, flatware, and other items that belong there. Nothing is quite so frustrating as limited space for movement and storage. So it's important, no matter what the final design you choose is, to include plenty of storage space for items that are not in use. To help with this function, you may wish to place an island in the center of the kitchen that is capable of both storage and use. Whether that means a place to chop onions, prepare meals for the oven, or even a spot to grill, the island can combine functionality, leaving you with less requirements on space.